So just stand here?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty slanted. Oh, that's more like it. I'm recording a 360 at the same time.
Ready?
Yeah. Bye, thanks.
All right, welcome.
So, hey, Gareth from Port Monkeys here. And we are on the magical flying beach chair in Mahogany Bay in Roatán. And we came on the Caribbean Princess. And there it is. And there's those people, but they're looking down. Anyway, I paid $15 for this ride, so I hope you enjoy it. Oh, what are these people? Oh, I guess this is like a private area, I think. See the cabanas and a little private beach down there. And the lifeguard. So, just so you know, occasionally this ride stops, like now, and then it goes. So some people can't get on it when it's moving; they have to have it stop, and it's very slow. But for $15, you get this wristband, and you get to ride it all day, many times as you want. I bought it just so I could show you. Hi. If you don't want to pay the $15, there's a walkway from the ship. You walk right up there. There's a shopping center up there, lots of little stores, and then you're at the beach. The beach is right over there, right? There's the Mahogany Beach big letters sign. We stopped again. Water's pretty clear here. Over on the beach it's not as clear because there's 1,000 people in the water. Okay, maybe a couple hundred. And we're moving along again. I'm on number 14. Now, remember, I'm heading from the beach back to the shopping center, so that would be going back on the ship. Not sure what that is. It looks like a fish farm of some sort.
Yes.
There's a nature trail down there. Or maybe that's the nature trail over there. Anyway, that looks, oh, that's the pilot boat for our ship, or any ship. This place can dock 2 ships at a time. It's pretty crowded. Well, it's not that crowded. I shouldn't say that. There were plenty of chairs. There are plenty of chairs left. This could hold, 5,000 more people, I suppose. Then it would be crowded. Well, we keep stopping. Like I said, move that over so you can see the ship better. And again, we're headed out. So right over there in the forest, there's a zip line. Maybe you can see it coming down, and it ends up down near the beach there, down at the basketball court. We're just ahead of it. Some water toys there. Medical, which you just saw them using. Been cloudy off and on all day. Sunny and hot, humid, and then clouds come over and it gets cool. There's an unattended bag on that chair and a piece of rope. Not sure what that means. Here, there's somebody on it. See? That was them screaming. Looks like it goes pretty fast. It's pretty long too. I mean, it's that long anyway, right? That's the path in. This is a road. This is like the end of the road. So if you're driving, I guess you can go on there, but if you're walking, you're going on there. Well, we've come to another stop. This morning, when we got off the ship and first came up to this magical beach here, it was a huge line. Just now, there wasn't any line, but that's coming back. So I don't know if the other end is going to have a line. I'm going to try to stay on it and ride back, because I'm only on here for your pleasure. And I'm going to run out of time. That's the Caribbean Princess, by the way, in case I didn't say that. So, Mahogany Bay, Roatán, which is an island off the coast of Honduras, so it's part of Honduras. They speak Spanish here, and English. But I'm gonna have to say adios. And see you in the next port. Bye.